Hey everyone, it's Trevor with Peak Potential Physiotherapy and Wellness. I wanted to answer some quick questions that I've gotten with some of the runners and people who are starting to run when they've come in here to the clinic. So, when choosing a running shoe, you want to go get fitted. I say pay the extra money, go to a good store that'll fit you correctly. But when looking at a shoe, you'll hear about people who pronate, which is a flat foot, or people who supinate, which is having a high arch. And it all depends on kind of the cushion that you have, because if you look in the shoe, the shoe's flat, so there's no real arch support in the shoe. The darker the foam is right here, the more arch support it has. So if something has a big thick foam and is dark gray, it's really hard to compress. So that's when you know you have a arch support shoe. If it's really flat or there's minimal, or you could bend the shoe real easily, that's a minimalist shoe, and that's for someone who has who doesn't have flat feet or has a very moderate arch, who doesn't need a whole lot of support. This is a medium shoe that I have. So also, how often do you change your shoes? What I look at is a lot of times the foam, if there's creases in it, that means the cushion has compressed, time to get a new pair of shoes. A lot of the coaches that we work with, the guys at BPC, Dale and Bryant, they say if you're running a lot, you should change it about every 300 miles. I've heard if you're kind of just a periodic runner, it's probably every 400 to 500 miles if you log that. But you shouldn't wear the same shoes that you are out in the yard with that you run with. So if you're running and lifting and just being out in the yard, you want to have different shoes for each one because they break down and wear differently. So if you have any other questions, please post them in our Facebook page, or you can respond to this and I'll answer them on a future post. Thank you.